Here are the basics of beneficial ownership information for U.S. businesses in 2024. The Corporate Transparency Act was enacted in 2021 and requires certain types of U.S. businesses and legal entities such as LLCs to report information about their beneficial owners to the Treasury Department's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, which is commonly referred to as FinCEN. Beneficial owners at a business are the people that ultimately own or control the business. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Beneficial ownership reporting requirements apply to the following types of entities: corporations, limited liability companies, limited partnerships, business trusts, cooperatives, and any other legal entity that is created or organized under the laws of the United States or even a jurisdiction within the United States. The information that must be reported includes the name, date of birth, and address of each beneficial owner, as well as the beneficial owner's unique identifying number from an acceptable identification document. The report must also include the percentage of ownership interest held by each beneficial owner. The deadline for filing the initial beneficial ownership report depends on when the entity was created or registered. If the entity was created or registered before the 1st of January in 2024, the deadline is January 1st, 2025. But say the entity was created or registered on or after January 1st, 2024, the deadline is 30 days after the entity is created or registered. So why do these reporting regulations exist? The FinCEN BOI reporting requirements are designed to improve transparency in the corporate ownership structure and help to prevent the use of shell companies for illicit purposes, such as money laundering and terrorist financing. Here are some of the penalties for failing to comply with the FinCEN reporting requirements. Your business could receive a civil penalty of up to $500,000 per violation. Plus, individuals can also receive criminal penalties of up to 20 years in prison. So, if you are a business that is subject to the FinCEN BOI reporting requirements, you should start preparing now. To get started, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the beneficial ownership policies mentioned in this video? Does it make sense why the government has enacted such strict requirements for businesses? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to save your business time and money.